Some actors are really afraid to book out because we know when we book out, we're going to get an audition. I want to talk to you about that today. Hey there, it's Ajarae Coleman, founder of actingresourceguru.com. And first, I want to back up and talk about what booking out is for those of you who are new to the industry. When you are going to be unavailable for auditions, you need to tell your agent or your manager that you're going to be unavailable, and that's called booking out with your talent agent. It is absolutely imperative that you book out when you're not going to be available. And summer's coming up, so we're going to be going on vacation and long weekends and high school reunions and whatever. And it's a great time to be reminded of this. So here's the dilemma for a lot of us as actors. We already feel like we don't get enough auditions, and we are afraid to tell our reps that we're not going to be available because it might be a busy time or whatever. And so I have some tips for you around this. 1, make sure you know exactly how your agent or manager wants you to book out. Usually you're going to send an email to a particular email address at the agency or the management company, but make sure you know how to do it so that when it comes up, you know exactly what to do. Number 2, even if you haven't auditioned in a while and you think you don't need to book out anyway. The reason for this is that your reps absolutely need to know that you are reliable. They need to know that if they submit you, you're going to be available to go in person for auditions. And this always happens, as soon as you go somewhere for like 2 seconds, you get an audition, right? And it's probably the most exciting audition of your life. That's just how it works. So make sure that even if you haven't auditioned in a long time and you don't think you're going to get an audition, you book out anyway. Your reps will appreciate it. Some actors think that their agent will be upset at them for booking out, but trust me, your agent will be so much more upset if you don't book out and they get you an audition that you can't go to. And a lot of you will be surprised. You'll be so apprehensive to email your agent and they'll be like, oh, great, enjoy, have fun. That's happened to me more times than I'd like to admit. The third thing is a pro tip. Let your reps know if you're available for self-tapes when you're gone. When I travel, especially if I'm going to be in a place that has good Wi-Fi and where I'm accessible to technology and the internet, I always bring my little portable tripod with my iPhone attachment so I can self-tape anywhere I am. And I let my reps know that. I'm not going to be available to go in person in Los Angeles, but I will be available to send in self-tapes. And they always appreciate that. And the last thing I want to share with you is just to enjoy your time off. So many of us are afraid to book out because we're afraid of missing opportunities. And so we miss out on our friends' weddings and we don't go to spend time with our families and we just miss out on the great things in life. As artists, we absolutely need to be cultivating our creativity by taking time off and taking time to relax and reflect and just enjoy the world. So make sure that you allow yourself this time and just book out. I hope this helps. I'll see you next week.